Hey traders, welcome back to another live stream here tonight. Figured I'd go live for you guys tonight. I'm in a Dogecoin trade. What's up, guys? All right, guys, we're in a live long trade here on Dogecoin, 0.0512 entry. We got our stop a little bit above our entry, so we can't lose on this trade, guys. That is the most important thing here, guys, is setting the stop above your entry once you do enter these trades. All right. Yo, what's up, peoples? I know a quick ad hoc stream here, but guys, you guys see something happening here? This looks exactly the same, right? This pattern looks exactly the same. 100% the same as what we did right here. And you can see that the volume is receded completely, right? We're in a daily squeeze here on the MACD. We're showing signs of hidden bullish divergence here on the MACD. Impending price action to the upside. All right, you can see here we're at the bottom of the S&P DMI indicator. We're getting pretty close to breakout spot here for Dogecoin. I figured I'd cover this live for you guys tonight. Is Bitcoin taking off right now? No, Bitcoin's just consolidating. I don't expect a big show for tonight, but figured I'd do a little live trade for you guys. $200 in at 475. Oh, Hawkeyser, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? I am in the trade. Yes, I did enter the trade. I have an entry ahead at around 5.12 cents. We set our stop a little bit above our entry here at 5155. So this is a trade we cannot lose, guys. If we do get some resistance here and pull back, well, you guys know what'll happen. We'll just pull right back to, well, hopefully we won't pull back to our entry, but right above our stop, okay, on the trade. But I'm looking for around this 5.4 cent area. This is this confluent area where there's this moving average here is right on Binance. You can clearly see it, but if we go to the 4-hour here on Doge, all right, we can see that we're coming to the supply line right now. But I mean, this is like newly manufactured resistance area, all right. So if Doge starts to get some volume here, guys, this is where we could see fireworks, all right. This is where we're talking about major moves, right? And you can see right now on the 4-hour, we just crossed into bullish territory. We could also see on the MACD that we're just now starting to create positive momentum on the 4-hour. If we go to like the hourly time scale, we can see we're starting to build up this positive momentum again, right? Where the MACD is above 0 here. We're going into a squeeze here on the DMI on the hourly. This is looking nice, guys. This is looking nice for a nice move up here. What's the biggest trade I took? Well, the biggest trade I took was probably the Ethereum trade I did like about a month ago, where I had, I think, a 20x lev trade on a $3,000 or $4,000 risk, and I traded for 16 hours, right? Zen analysis? Yeah, sure, we can do some Zen analysis. If I want to do the kind of trading you're doing, what program or app could I use? I'm in Texas, so we can't use Binance. I don't know that you can actually do any leverage trading, man, to be honest. So just spot trades, probably. Yeah, we'll look at Zen. Then looking nice, right? We got this pivot right here off the major 886 fib extension. Okay. So it looks like Zen is starting to round out here, right? Looking a lot like a lot of the other charts, like in these falling structures, falling wedge structures. Sitting around 48 on the RSI. Obviously it has plenty of room, ample room to run up now. And yeah, obviously showing that hidden divergence there on the RSI, and probably as well on the MACD. If I had the MACD on, I don't have that on right now. Have too many indicators on, guys. Oh, that's because I had the SAR script on. All right. So the SAR script, man, this is pretty cool. So the hourly probably flashing buys right now. Yep. Here you go. Falling wedge. Breaking out right now. About to break out right now, I should say. Engine coin? Yeah, we can take a look at it. This was actually one of the major swing trades that was posted in the alert service for the STP members. So here's Engine coin, right? Broke out, back tested, and using this area now as support. And yeah, it does look like we might see some continuation here from Engine coin. All right. My favorite alts. Sure. I think Link is obviously a big one. Phantom Coin. Cardano. API 3, another bag that I am holding. I entered this, down in this consolidation area on this $1.33 area. Okay. Again, if you guys are just joining, I am in a live trade on Dogecoin with an entry at around 5.12 cents. We have our stop loss 5.155. Patiently waiting for a major breakout here for Dogecoin. How's LTC looking? Let's take a look at it, shall we? Shall we take a look at it? So looking nice, right? We're just making these higher lows, right? We made a rally, made a pullback, coming back down again. Coming in this wedge structure just like all the other tokens and things we are seeing here on the chart. They all look very, very similar to each other right now. See from the MACD here that we are implying the hidden bullish divergence, right? On the daily time frame. But impending price action is back to the upside. Okay. Yeah, so you could see the same thing happen here for Litecoin. A nice little falling wedge breakout here. Tomorrow we could see a breakout. I just chose to trade Dogecoin because of the amount of stupidity that this thing does when it does break out. Like we were talking about a 186% move. What's your opinion on neural networks applied to trading? I don't really know too much about it, honestly. 8-bit music, but I'm sure that's going to probably play a huge factor on how trading goes for the future of trading, right? So, did I look at ADA? No, I didn't look at it yet. We can take a look at it. It was showing some bearish divergence from the last time I looked. Yeah, we are diverging a bit here, guys, on ADA, so we could see a bit of a pullback on ADA. All right, you see we have this we're obviously way overbought extend here. ADA made higher prices, but didn't create higher levels of positive momentum, right? So we have this divergence here happening and showing on the oscillator. Okay, so we could see price maybe go down. Okay. I'm not taking an ADA trade right now. I'm actually in a Dogecoin trade, guys. I mean, if this does anything similar to what it just did, you know, we're looking at 20 cents or thereabouts. We're getting awfully close here for a breakout opportunity here on Dogecoin. We can see the stochastics pointed up here. We're quite at the bottom here, right, guys? This is an optimal entry point. Guys, I don't typically enter more than one trade at a time. It's just too much for me to focus on, you know. But we can pull up the screener here for you guys and see what's popping. Looks like RSR is on the move right now on the hourly. With some nice volatility coming in. Sushi is another one, $20. We were trading sushi last night on the Discord last night, around 16 bucks. This thing already moved 40%. That's amazing. Zen, obviously, we just looked at that. That's on the move. Litcoin. All right. CRV on the move as well. Take a look at CRV, actually. Yeah, nice. This is nice, guys. This is nice. Looking nice. On CRV. Perfect. Descending, broadening wedge pattern, right? These are very bullish types of patterns. Excellent. I think Civic was on the move as well, if I recall correctly. The OG, I am just in Dogecoin right now, man. Just in Dogecoin. Good evening, Joseph. Good evening. Maybe you guys can't see my position here. I am in a live 20x lev trade. All right. Yep, that's why, guys, you set some stop losses, and I'm not even worried about the price action right now. You know, got my stop in. I know what the pattern is showing me here. Yeah, this could take some time to mature for sure. But maybe we'll get the breakout here tonight. See the squeeze happening. We're in a squeeze. I think I don't see why it would be a bad decision. You know, you might want to. What's my take profit for Doge? Well, falling wedges usually go back up to the top of the wedge, so this could be a couple day trade. You know, 8 cents, I would say. If I don't get stopped out. Shorter term, probably that 5.5 cent area. I mean, you can see what's building up here, man, on the 8 hour. This is looking like it's ready to do some crazy stuff, man. You guys are gonna see over the course of the next couple days, this, you know, Elon Musk is gonna tweet Dogecoin, right? About to do some funny stuff, man, like we did here. And the problem is we might get one more shakeout before we get it, right? We could do something like this where we get one more shakeout and then we go. So if that's the case, I'll get stopped out and I'll look for a re-entry towards the bottom of the pattern again. This was 24 days consolidation, and this is, here you go, 22 days. Or maybe we got a couple more days of consolidating first before we break out. Look at BTC, yeah, sure, again. Looking pretty primed, man. We're looking pretty good on the daily right now. We're about to confirm a daily continuation. Last night on stream, we confirmed a 4-hour continuation candle as well, and we got the continuation, right? We got the breakout. We've hit these 1, 2 take profits so far. If you guys entered with me here last night on stream. You guys are enjoying the content here. Make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Can you look at a possible Ethereum trade, please? Yeah, look at Ethereum. So was the falling wedge breakout as well we got on Ethereum, okay? You know, you're looking at your next target up here on the 16.25 area, and the major resistance here up at 16.85. 4 hour just sitting in bullish territory right now. Come on, Dogecoin, let's break out for us tonight. We're not flashing any signs of MFI sell signals yet here on the hourly. 30 minutes starting to flash a little bit here. How's it going, Andre? Throw on the SAR indicator for you guys tonight. Have I been in this trade for a long time? No, not that long. Maybe an hour, 2 hours, maybe tops. Max leverage I use. Honestly, this was a mistake that I even went 20x on this, but typically anywhere from like 5 to 7x tops. Usually like 2 to 3x lev. No more than that, typically. Have I been doing this for a long time? Oh, yes, I've been trading for 4 years. Decent amount of time. Do I know little? I mean, that's up to you, man. How much have I made in that 4 years? Well, obviously my first year or so wasn't a very profitable year. I'm not going to disclose how much I've made over the last 3 years, but I could say I've done pretty well for myself. Sorry, man, I'm not going to disclose how much money I've made in the last 4 years. Hope you can appreciate that. What do I think about Dogecoin? Fundamentally, I don't really know anything about it. I just like the chart. So I'm trading at the chart. That's it. These patterns to me look identical. So if we get any sort of movement like this, we're going to make a nice trade, right? Tree fitty. I don't know the fundamentals of Dogecoin. I'm pretty sure it's just a carbon copy of Bitcoin. Just with more supply. Do I think it can go to $1? Maybe not on this move, but This move, we could go back to, you know, 8 cents. And if we break 8 cents, well, go to the bottom of the range, right? We're looking at about 100% move, so maybe like 16 cents. In time. This will take time, guys. Weeks, months, you know? See what else is moving right now. We got Reserve Rights on the move, Cosmos on the move, Kava on the move, Sushi on the move, CRV also on the move. Am I a holder or a day trader? I'm mostly a long-term swing trader. All right. You guys are just joining. I'm in a live swing trade here on Dogecoin. Our SAR indicator has been long here since early this morning on the hourly timescale, with some nice volume spikes here. When do I see the bear market coming? Do I think this is a super cycle? That's a tough question, man. I can just show you guys my long-term projection here for this cycle. Jeremy, yeah, we can look at BNB here in just 1 second. I'm just going to go through some quick information here I have on Bitcoin for the gentleman that asked about the cycles. So, if we do anything that we've been doing, okay, guys, you notice Bitcoin does the same bullish pennants on every single cycle. Alright, the same stuff. So in this cycle, we got up to the 272 to 2414 area, mostly to the 272 fib extension. In the next cycle, we got to, you know, that $20,000 area, right? So between the 272 to 2414 fib extension, we'll do something similar to this cycle. I think we'll go anywhere from 200,000, 220,000 on up to 285,000 US dollars. All right. Something along these lines, literally. And we'll look at BNB. Beautiful chart. Guys, this could take years. This may not happen on this cycle, okay? We could do half this move. We get up to 500, or even up close to this area, maybe $1,000 maybe. Or we continue and we have a bear market. Something like that. I don't know exactly how it's going to play out, but we're going to see. We're about an hour away of confirming a 4-hour long signal here on the SAR indicator. So margin trading, I think you can actually borrow against your asset that you put on there. Futures trading, I'm just using isolated or cross margin. If I had only one trade to go all in, what would it be? That's a tough question, man. I personally went all in on Chainlink at like 90 cents. So that was my trade that I took last year or 2 years ago, June of 2019. I basically went all in with whatever I could. Wes, we did ADA. Yeah, I think it's going to pull back a bit, showing some bearish divergence. Sure, we'll look at Reef and NU, absolutely. Not really too much data on Reef. Yeah, not too much to really go by here. But yeah, I charted this, looks like last night. You know, falling wedge on the daily here. You know, you're just having enough data to show this hidden bullish divergence. Okay. Impending price action is back to the upside. And what was it? New? Yeah, nice pattern up here as well. Okay. Nice continuation structure up here. Also in a falling wedge type deal. All right. Yep, I'm just trading Dogecoin right now. That's it. You guys are just joining. I'm in a live swing trade here on Dogecoin. 5.12 cents entry. We have our stop at 5.155, so above our entry. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. That would not be cool. But if we do, we'll just find another entry spot for it. I do trading lessons, Stella. You can join the Discord. Let me get you that link. Jeremy, yes, I am in a position on Doge. By the way, our website is down right now, guys. So if you guys were looking to purchase lessons or coaching, you can just direct message me in Discord. My name is Mr. Know-It-All, STP Mr. Know-It-All. Or if you're interested in trialing the indicators, also you can check that out in the Discord as well, in the trial area. No problem, Stella. Have you taken a position on Doge? Yeah, I have taken a position. What do you think about CRV and CTSI? You know what? We just covered CRV, and CRV looked good. It actually came in on my screener. We have a new hourly that just came in, so it looks like we got some time. Do I ever short? I don't typically take short positions in bull markets, but it's, you know, the trend is your friend until the end, right? So once we enter a bear market, I'll be looking for short opportunities. I think Doge definitely has some nice upside potential here. Yes. Oh yeah, no worries, man. I got in at 0.516. What should I do? Well, set your stop above your entry so you don't lose money. I would say that is probably the best thing you can do. So we came up to the top of the supply line here on the 1 minute. You guys can see this, you know, pretty clearly. And we pulled back here a little bit, all right? So we're gonna see if we can round out here and try to continue to break out. Brando, I got stopped out in profit on that trade, but that's the thing, man, is when you're lev trading, you have to set tight stops, otherwise you could wake up in the morning, you know, wrecked. So, but yeah, it got to my $22 target, man. I can see that right now. Is what it is, man. I can't, you know, can't control that. If it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. Like I might get stopped out of this Dogecoin trade here tonight. Could happen. In my opinion, this is just a partial decline. Okay, got to the breakout area and pulled back. Absolutely, Brando. Yep. Sorry guys, I might have just lagged out a little bit there. What's going on, Neil? Yep. Link on the move here, guys. Dead catting into a bear cycle. Not sure why you're thinking that. Care to share why you think we're going into a bear market right now? Chrome, you're funny, man. DHA, sure. Take a look at it. Nice little V-shaped recovery, right? Not really too much to go off of other than that, unfortunately. But does look good on the 4 hour here, okay? ETH falling wedge, breakout. Looks pretty nice. And we could find a pullback here on the 16.25 area, where we come up, maybe come back down, back test this area here as a higher low support before then proceeding higher. Well, guys, we could get stopped out here tonight, unfortunately. We didn't catch the breakout, per se. How to use the fib? Well, you got a fib from your swing high to your swing low. wick to wick or candle body to candle body, whichever you're including. See if we can get a nice little bottom here. See if we can bounce off this support here, guys. This would be pretty good if we could. If not, we will probably get stopped out. Or close to getting stopped out. It's trying to hold on here. I think it technically broke it. It's on the 1 minute here. So you're seeing the rejection come in right now. We're going to see if we maybe can hang on. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. We broke it. We confirmed breaking down. We're catching some wicks though here. Some buyers coming in. No, I would not amend my stop loss because I don't want to risk losing capital on the trade. I would rather take a stop loss and look for a re-entry on the trade. Right? Maybe even get a better entry. Right? I'd rather secure a profit than lose the profit. Okay? So we're stopped out, guys, unfortunately. We are going to find a re-entry on Dogecoin. But see, this is why you don't amend stop losses, because, you know, I would be probably barely up on the trade right now if I amended my stop loss. So I'll wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait till we see some rounding happening, okay? Or consecutive higher lows, or a consolidation, right? That's what we're looking for. Or maybe let's use our screener and see what's happening on the screener side of things. So our Atom is looks like it's going down right now. Maybe we could be at an opportune area. I mean, this 4 hour does look nice. Go to like a Okay, I mean, we're making another higher low. This looks good, like the Stokes are about to cross up. You missed me stopping out in profit on Dogecoin. Okay. No big deal. So Cosmos, good too. Also in this squeeze like this. So I also think Dogecoin is gonna obviously recover at some point, and we're probably gonna be able to get a nice long entry on that as well. But let's not rush into another trade, right? Let's try to find something that's bottoming or, you know, at a support. Doge is at a 15-minute support right now. But it's breaking down, as you guys can see. See the breakdown? So I'd be basically right back at my entry point right here. I guess we would be looking for like the 0.058 area if we were going to re-enter Doge. I'm not in a trade right now. I just got stopped out, so I'm just seeing how this is going to play out here. Maybe we found a support, potential support here on Doge. This could be an area where we maybe re-enter. Putting in a higher low here, maybe. $15-minute isn't really confirming that right now. It's showing us that we might see some downside first. Anyways, we don't need to trade Doge. Kava. Look at Kava. How you doing, Vidoosh? So Kava looks like it's ripping up here. We definitely missed a long entry on this already. I'm not trying to FOMO into Kava coin right now. Yeah, I think it can happen. I do think Dogecoin is poised to make that type of move. As you can see, we're definitely in an area where we could maybe do it. Let's see if we can confirm a higher low on the 15-minute here. You know, maybe down to this like 0.051 area. Or even like just 0.051 even. We're at this area right here. We're getting some wicks, so see how this goes. We might have put a short-term bottom in here. Let's see how this goes though. I'm not gonna enter right away. So we are showing some divergence already. Yeah, we're sold on. We could maybe take an entry here. Money for the people. Yes, I do. Check out the Discord link. It's posted in the chat here. Okay. And trade ideas, I don't post them for free. You can join the alert service. That is on our website, swingtradepros.com. However, the website, we are having a bit of issues right now, but if you want to join, you could probably join through the Discord payment system. You can just message me. I'm Mr. Know-It-All in the channel. All right, so here we go. We're getting the breakdown here on Doge. Let's see if we can find an area to maybe layer in some longs. Link entry, sure. Look at link. Linko looks like it's already breaking out, right? It's already on its way out. I would look for this back test though around this 2750 and 2650s area. Guys, right now we are waiting for Dogecoin to find some sort of higher low bottom here to re-enter a long trade. XLM, yeah, let's take a look at it. XLM looks good. Got some nice consolidation happening here. You can see the higher lows coming in, right? You know, about a 30% move once you do break out of the structure. Pretty much bringing it right back to the top, right? All right, let's check on our Doge. See how Dogecoin's looking here. Is this an area maybe we could take a long? Let's see if we can poke a long in here, guys. I am going to lower my leverage. I did not mean to take this much leverage last time. We are going to go and take some Dogecoin here. Start off with a little bit of a smaller position size. We don't know that this is actually the bottom, but we know that this is a support, okay? We're gonna add a little bit more here. I think this might be an area where we could get a bounce, so let's trade the bounce if we can. Well, guys, we just re-entered a long position here at 5.12, basically pretty close to my previous entry, which is pretty funny. We're getting this bounce right now. Let's see if we can get some sort of follow-through price action. There it is. Wow, there it is. Nice little bump right there. Guys, already in a nice 4% profit. Well, we did get some immediate rejection there, all right? Dot? Sure. Let's take a look at dot. So this is a nice bottoming structure we're seeing here. All right. You can see that we did break out of this resistance area here. You know, like 20% measured move, basically probably back up to the top. Perfect, right there. Okay. All right, guys, looks like we nailed the entry here on Dogecoin. We're up $10 right now on a just a $300 5x leg position. We did reduce the risk on from our previous. I obviously made a mistake. I did not mean to do 20x leverage last time. I just entered too fast. Really, I think that's what happened. So. See if we can get the breakout this time, guys. We did make a higher low here. Ben, yes, I do see it recovering. Yep. Covered it earlier. We did leave some room to dollar cost average if this entry doesn't work out, guys. Okay. The dot entry, I mean, if we get rejected here, we might get a back test, okay? I'd look for a back test. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate it. If you guys can smash up that like button. We got 50 people watching right now. We got 24 likes. Let's see if we can get 26 more likes here for me tonight. Come on. Calling re-entries here on the 1 minute time scale on Doge. This is looking very bullish, guys. You see how it's consolidating here like this? We might come back to back test it though, right? So we'll see how that plays out. Guys, as you were able to see, I was able to find an entry here on the 1 minute time scale using the STP RSI band indicator to find this bottom to help me enter and re-enter this trade. And then I proceeded to use the STP buy sell zone indicator, which told me we're going to see a 1 minute continuation, right? This is how we were able to justify entering here. Well, you could start by targeting 35.40 area. If you break that, you're looking at 34.40, and maybe, you know, back testing this area here on 34.50, 34.50 area, right? So BNT, yeah, sure, we can look at it. Haven't looked at it in quite some time, to be honest. But you could see I I had that projection, okay? So much of the same here. This looks like a cup continuation pattern. Pedro, I'm not too sure about that. Hey, Ben, I appreciate the super chat, brother. Thank you so much, man. See if we get some SAR longs coming in here. I will add to the position once we do cross this 51788 area. I think Chainlink will continue up today. Yes, I do. A lot of the crypto market is going to continue higher today. Not a bad candle close if we do get this here on the 5 minute. Right, bullish engulfing candle. We got that nice bounce, right? Let's see if we can 3-bar back above the moving average here. We're just sitting right below 50 on the RSI, right? Remember, I said this 1 minute looks like a nice consolidation of consecutive higher lows here. One more crash before the up. No, we don't necessarily need to do that. Doesn't need to happen. People are already scared, right? We're going to do what I thought we were going to do before, but we're going to break out this time. You can look at 1 inch, sure. One inch looking really nice, man. This is looking pretty good. Another descending broadening pattern, you know, coming out of negative momentum here. Not enough, really not enough data really though, but yeah. Like Phoenix, we covered ADA. It was showing some bearish divergence. We might get a bit of a pullback on ADA here. So this is the spot where if we're making a lower high, guys, and we're pointed down here on the 1 minute, could mean we come back down to back test this, right? So we could safely exit our trade in a profit, an $8 profit. We just took that. All right, and now we can wait to see if we do get this move down, okay? And now we'll wait for this back test, okay? Thank you so much, Ben. I appreciate the support, man. I really do. Appreciate the super chat. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful evening here with me tonight. Calling Dogecoin here on the 1 minute time scale. We are coming back down to this green band territory. We are looking for a retest of this support, or if we don't even get down there and we can make a higher low up here, we will look for another re-entry on a long position, okay? This is interesting. You guys are seeing the selling sort of weaning here, right? Hang on, guys. I want to see what's going on here with Dogecoin first. Could be putting in a higher low. You see how we're rounding here? Let's wait for the signal, though, guys. Let's wait for the signal. Yeah, the daily is putting in a daily continuation. If we close like this today, there's another site here that's good, guys, is livecoinwatch.com, where we can find out the buying pressure on an asset. We're going to filter it by $15 million, right? And then you can see the buying pressure. ETP has lots of buying pressure. Factum has lots of buying pressure. So typically, if you're looking to trade upside, you probably want to try to find a coin that has lots of buying pressure, right? But maybe Dogecoin doesn't have that pressure right now, and maybe we should be looking at another asset. All right, like Civic Coin or something. Civic Coin has a 3.4 buyer to seller ratio right now. But let's look up Dogecoin, actually. I'm just curious what it says for Doge right now. Yeah, see how there's more selling than buying happening right now on Dogecoin. Maybe we shouldn't even be trading this, okay? But I still think it's in a nice setup here to maybe break out. So yeah, that data can change as the price action changes, right? But let's wait for the 1 minute signal again to enter a long position. We're going to probably come back down and test this point 051 area again. And here we go. We're patiently waiting, guys. Guys, trading is 90% waiting, 10% or 5% buying, and 5% selling. Okay? We are waiting right now. We are waiting on either a confirmed higher low or the same low on the 1 minute time scale for a potential double bottom, Adam and Eve double bottom. Okay. Since I am scalp trading, I might turn up my lev just a little bit more because $8 is not going to do it, right? Maybe like 10x lev we'll do on this next little trade here. Yep. All right, so it looks like we're putting in a higher low just here right now. I'm going to wait for confirmation, though. All right, so we got confirmation on the 1 minute. We're going to take a long here. We're going to try to catch a nice move back up. We did take some risks, some 10x lev here. Okay. $257 at risk. And let's see if we can get this move up, this nice higher low that we're putting in here on the 1 minute time scale, right? Adam and Eve, double bottom. Remember, guys, we didn't go all in because we might need a dollar cost average this position, all right? $10 left on the 4 hour. That's good to know. 4 hour. How's a 4 hour looking? Not too bad. Frankie, we looked at it, brother. I gave a range, man. I gave a range. Gave a range. Here we go, guys. We're in a little bit of profit here. We did try to catch this 1 minute bottom here. I'm not sure if this is the bottom for sure. Guys, this is a 1 minute time scale. But I do like what I'm seeing here on the RSI making these higher lows. It does match the price action though, so there's no divergence just yet. And it's possible we do reject this. I'm not saying that's out of the cards. But we're going to be paying close attention here what's happening on this 3 minute chart, okay? White Phoenix, it really depends on the price action, right? I am doing some live scalp trading for you guys on stream tonight, is what I'm doing. This is very risky. Okay, make sure you always trade with caution. Try not to trade with much risk. If you can help the risk, keep the risk low. See if we can get a push up here on Doge. We did enter the bullish territory here on the 1 minute time scale. I do think ETH will do well today, yes. This does look like we're rounding out. Do you guys see what's happening here? We're just kind of consolidating here. So we could start to make a cut pattern, maybe shoot for the top of the supply line again. It's in a closed spot. This could also get rejected and continue lower. We'll see. We're in the middle of the range right now, right? Chrome, yeah, I do trust Live Coin Watch. I think their information's pretty good. So this counts as a higher low, right? On the 15 minute. And this is definitely holding on to most of these gains here as well on the hourly. We are pointed down though on the DMI a bit here. The pressure, you can just come into the token and see, you know, what's happening on the books, right? So yeah, there is some selling pressure happening right now with Doge. So maybe we should exit this. We'll see how this goes here. All right, yeah, so the 1 minute is actually showing signs of continuation down. So we might need to get out of this trade, guys. So we will just cut this $7 loss trade. No big deal. Just yet. Let's see how this. We open a new hourly in a 1 minute, right? Is that's right? And a 4 hour. Go back to that for a second. Because we're about to confirm here on the 4 hour on the SAR indicator that if we close above these levels, that we could get a long signal to come in, but we'll see if we can sustain this price action. Obviously, we're dropping right now as we're talking. We didn't break this support yet. That's the key. Starting to break it right now. Go back to that 4 hour for a second. So this doji came in on the hourly, which is not so good, right? But this candle, I mean, this, yeah, this was a bit of a rejection. But we're still making higher lows, right? Low, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Like the hourly still looks intact. We're still sitting in bullish territory on 58 on the RSI. It's all about the entry though, right? It's always all about the entry. And we're not really showing a signal right now on the 15 minute. Like it's red like this. That doesn't mean short or long really, but I'm going to keep the position I have for the moment. If we do experience some pullback, I will look to dollar cost average the position. I don't think that this looks too violent right now in terms of, you know, big sell-off coming. In fact, it's actually starting to rally, so that's nice. Let's see if we can actually make a continuation though. But yeah, we're getting the continuation on a regular chart. Yep. Let's see if we can add a little bit here. This does seem like an area where we could maybe add some contracts here. These are still technically higher lows than this low here, right? So if we continue to make higher lows and we're just kind of chopping sideways, so it means we're consolidating for probably a bigger move, right? And like I said, the 15-minute, there's no signal down here. We're just kind of chilling, consolidating right here, sitting at a support. This is not a bad spot to be buying, right, guys? Buying on support, selling at resistances. And we're going to try to make a push. Looks like here on the 1 minute, we're getting this 1 minute continuation. See if the pressure here has changed at all on Dogecoin, and see how the buying pressure came in now on the BTC pairing. Not so much. Well, where is the Binance? Okay, yeah. So there's buying pressure here on the USDT Binance side, right? 539 versus 400. So there's more buying than selling happening right now, which is exactly what we're seeing on the chart, as I was explained before. That information can change while live. Okay. Now look at Link share. Link looks nice, man. Nice 4-hour candle coming in. We break the 29.95 area. We could see a continuation to like 31 bucks. You guys seeing what I'm seeing here on this chart? I can draw it a bit better. Basically, it's a respected demand line until it's broken. Yeah, but it could just put another higher low in, right? So I'm not really too panicked right now on this, on the 1 minute chart. Just kind of going sideways right now. I think Tether has been under scrutiny many, many times before. And I don't think there's really an issue with Tether. And that's just their way of creating FUD in the market. Tether is a registered FinCEN company, guys. Probably more legit than the Fed. Just saying. Greg, I do think it's going to happen. Probably within the next couple days. We are getting awfully close to a breakout, guys. You just got to stay patient in this trade, you know? There you go, foil. Now they have to show everything, right? My entry here is 51496. We're basically about break even right now on this trade. Frankie, I'll be honest, man. You missed the entry. It was yesterday. Dude, if you want me to look at the ETH setup again, man, just use that super chat, all right? I've looked at ETH a million times already on the stream tonight, man. Sorry, I'm trying to manage my own trade right now. Okay, if you guys don't really appreciate that, then you can find some other YouTuber to watch. Really, all right. I'm giving you guys free information right now as I trade this. Greg, I know, man. I'm actually trying to get somebody to make a parody for me so I could play it. Because it has copyright issues, man. Alright, we're starting to throw longs on the SAR. And that can change real fast, right? It's a 1 minute chart. Foil hat, yes, you do. Guys, we're just joining. We re-entered the Dogecoin trade around that 5.1496 area, so a tenth of a penny ago. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Come on, chat. Sing it with me. See if we can get above this moving average right here on the 5-minute chart. That's awesome though, man. Yeah. Yep. Let's pump it, boys. Pump it for the boys. And the girls. We got girls in this chat. YouTube tells me that most people that are watching are males. We got 96% males in the chat. No, sir. We're throwing a 15-minute long signal right now. It's not confirmed yet, but Maybe more sideways action here. Bitcoin kind of just chilling. 48,552 area. This Fibonacci extension now being regarded as support. If you guys are enjoying watching the paint dry with me here on YouTube, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell. If you guys are interested in our technical analysis classes, join the Discord, message myself, Mr. Know-It-All. We'll get you guys signed up. If you guys are liking the indicator you guys seeing on my screen right now, you can get a 7-day free trial. Message me in the Discord, I'll set you up. Sure, the bots and the signals, you can message me in the Discord, myself, Mr. Know-It-All, or STP Todd. He's really our bot guru. Or if you really have bot questions, because I'm not the bot guy, I'm the manual trader here at STP. You can message any of the STP mods, One Man Show, Canadian CEO, or CT Baz. Any of those three gentlemen will gladly help you with setting up bots. Once you guys are subscribed, of course, to the services, okay? Looks like we're getting this 1 minute squeeze here to the upside. Beautiful. We can break back above this area here. We're in a 1 minute squeeze. There we go, guys. Now we're getting some action. Our trade is now up 3.84%. Let's get some hype in the chat for the entry at the bottom support levels. Come on, guys. I think we could ride the wave on this one now, boys. We're probably going to go to the top of the range. Guys, I will be right back. I need to use the restroom. I've been live now for over 2 hours. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so what did I miss? A little pump action? Like we're right on the supply line there to break back above. On the 5 minute, we're looking at this 5 minute resistance area. Beautiful. We're getting a nice push up here. Putting our trade in a nice 5.42% profit. What I will do, guys, is I will set a stop loss. Okay. The trade's now in profit. We set our stop a little bit above our entry. I know we won't really net too much profit if we do get stopped out, but that's okay, guys. Again, we are in this game to just make sure we can continue to move stop losses higher. We obviously are projecting this move to be something significant potentially. So hopefully we do get that move, because the 4 hour to me looks like we're basically about to break out of this major downsloping channel here. Okay. Get some hype in the chat for the re-entry, guys. Come on. Let's get some hype. Let's get some hype. Are we going to get this breakout live on stream for you guys tonight? Let's go back to the buying pressure here. You can see that there's a, well, I guess there is more sellers than buyers happening right now, but I guess that's maybe because we're at a resistance area, a major resistance area, right? The supply line. And I think once we do break it, we're coming up to right now here on the hourly. If we can get above this, guys. Get above 0.159. Then we're in an hourly breakout. Okay. If you guys are enjoying the stream here, make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and if you're not new to the channel, you've been watching the content for some time, make sure you guys join the movement, hit the subscribe button, tick the little bell, join the Discord, check out all of our products. SwingTradePros.com. We're here for you guys, man. I literally just spend hours and hours and hours on the charts for you guys, teaching you guys how to do it, how to enter trades, guys. We found an entry point here on the 1 minute chart just now. All right, we're coming up to this this maybe resistance area. We could maybe look to secure a profit here if you guys want. Okay, it's never, guys, it's never bad to secure a profit. We are going to confirm a 15-minute long signal here in about 1 minute, but maybe let's see if we can confirm that. Come on, let's get the push. See if we can break back above this 0.159 area, guys. Come on. Somebody fat finger it. Come on, Elon Musk. Tweet that Dogecoin. Let's go. Guys, this is the moment we've been waiting for, right? The breakout. Raven has been on the move. Yep, absolutely. But you know what? I like to find coins that haven't broken out yet, like Dogecoin. Dogecoin hasn't done it yet, but if it does do it, I mean, like, we saw this major move, right? Like, what happens if we break out of this structure right now? Like, right on live stream, right now, in, like, not so distant future, and we were able to catch a 20, 30, 40% move, right, guys? Come on, are you with me? Dogecoin, you with me? I'm not sure about doing TA on Dogecoin. Why not, man? Are you discriminatory against the TA on Dogecoin? You think that it's not going to be applicable because its name is Dogecoin? Here's the breakout, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Live on stream right now. Okay? For all you haters about TA, here we go. We are in a breakout right now. Live on stream. Smash those likes up, guys. Join the movement. Join the Discord. If you're trying to change your financial future, join the Discord. I'm going to keep saying it, guys. Join the effing Discord. Here we go, guys. We are in an hourly breakout. We are about to go to the effing moon here on Dogecoin. Let's see if we can break these wicks. These wick highs here on the hourly. All right, our re-entry. Guys, we're up $41 sitting on the stream right now. Awesome, man. Awesome. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, Alec. See if I can get some more tunage on here. You guys have any special requests for the type of music genre? What do you guys want? What are you guys in the mood for? I'm waiting. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. Oh man, we're in a 4-hour breakout as well right now, guys. Pump it up song. Yeah, I don't know if we can do that on here though. Yeah, we can't really do that on here. Let's get some I can't, guys. I can't play it, man. I want to get a parody made so I can play it, but I haven't done that yet. We'll see if we can get that for the coming streams. It's mostly because of copyright, right? I'm pretty sporadic, guys. If there's a trade setup, I'm gonna be in it, all right? But I do still work full-time job, unfortunately, and trying to make this my full-time gig, right? But I gotta slowly ease into it. I can't just quit. I need to, you know, build up that that income, you know. It's kind of why I'm here, trying to teach you guys how to trade, so you guys support STP. You support me in continuing to teach you guys how to trade breakouts, how to trade these types of movements. I'm not messing with ADA right now. I saw before we were showing some daily bearish divergence, so I'm expecting maybe a move down on ADA. Are we getting a little bit of rejection here, guys? Looks like. Yeah, that is not a good looking candle, guys. And are we gonna get stopped out of this trade? That would suck. Yeah, Greg, absolutely near the one, maybe the $1.10, $1 area for ADA. I don't think we're close to an end, no. I think we're just starting, actually. I'm not. I mean, I do have BTC up here a bit. Yeah, it looks like I said before, it's just consolidating right here at this, 48,552 area. Just kind of sitting here right now. So altcoins can rally against Bitcoin here if Bitcoin's just consolidating. So, but I also have a screener up for you guys. Kava coin making moves. IOST actually looking like it's making a move right now. Guys, this looks like a back test, right? So we had a break back above. We did make a lower high, but it looks like we're gonna hopefully use this area as a support now. And maybe we'll round out another bottom here, right? Or we try to go again. Maybe like an inverse head and shoulders type pattern. Do you guys see that? Planted, but maybe there. This though. How's it going, Vidouche? What's up, buddy? Welcome to the world of the living. Guys, if you guys don't know, Vidouche is the man that helped me go mini viral about a month ago. Put me on the YouTube map. He's my man. Guys, this isn't perfect, right? This is on a 1 minute chart. But if this plays out, it'd be nice. Very nice. But yeah, Vidouche, we've been walking them through a live lev trade here tonight. We had a couple trades that were profitable. We gave it a re-entry here on a 1 minute time scale. Down here, we called the bottom. We took a long here. Guys, they're all going to break out. Here goes Dogecoin too, man. Hey, Vidouche, check this out, brother. Dogecoin, man. The Doge. The Doge, man. The Doge. You notice a similar pattern here, Vidouche? What's happening, bro? We're gonna do the same thing? Go to the daily. It's a little bit more clear on the daily. Oh yeah. Look at the squeeze happening here. We're about to we just basically bounced off the 50 RSI. So, about to do some funny stuff, boys. Are y'all ready for this? Come on, let's get some hype in the chat for the live technical analysis, the live trade on stream. Who's hand-holding you guys like this? Who's hand-holding you guys like this for free? I'm doing this for free right now. All right. Come on. Chrome, that was the live stream that I did the other day. It was like a $9,000 profit trade. 16-hour live stream, all right? That's how I went mini viral. I changed lives that night, man. I was on the 1 minute chart. I was on the 1 minute chart on ETH, man. It was a $9,000 trade. It was epic. You guys should go watch it. Guys, Doge is in a 4-hour breakout, man. Handle body breakout right now. Thank you so much, Nicholas. Appreciate that. I do, Chrome. I do trade options, man. I just recently traded GameStop options. Let me show you that result real quick. I don't know if can you guys see my Discord? I think you guys can, right? So I called out for the alerts channel, alerts group, okay? I do have my own alert service here that I do run for STP. I called out GameStop last week, the $45 option calls. I said looks like we can get a nice retrace up. I'm gonna show you and post and show you guys my gains on that trade. All right. It was where is it? Here it is. It was a $44,000 trade, guys. I took a $4,000 risk on the GameStop options. Probably one of my best swing trades ever. Okay, great timing on that. Today I posted, just so you know, today we posted CGC. That was the trade setup today. Here are the gains from that today. Oh wow, Joe, thank you so much for the super chat, man. $100. Shout out to Joe. Thank you so much, brother. That means the world, man. Means the world to me, man. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. That is awesome, dude. Awesome. Definitely join the Discord. Definitely message me. I want to give you access to the next Zoom session, man. You earned it, all right? You earned a free Zoom session with me. I run these weekly, okay? I want you to message me in Discord right now. I'm waiting for your message, brother. You're going to get a free Zoom session with me, okay? Free access to the Zoom class this week. You earned it. You earned it. We are going to catch this live breakout here for you guys tonight. I don't care if I have to stay up till 3 in the morning. We are going to catch the Dogecoin breakout, okay? If you guys are just joining, we called a re-entry on Dogecoin at 0.515 on the 1 minute time frame. Down right here in the green band territory. We called the bottom. And if you guys are just joining, and why are we trading Dogecoin, guys? Well, the daily time scale is telling us something very, very interesting that happened not so long ago back here. The same pattern, the same setup. The volume is receded. Okay. I suspect something big might happen here. Bottom of the DMI. We're going into a squeeze on the daily. We're sitting at 51 on the RSI in bullish territory, coming up to a supply line. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. All right. Yep, the 0.05. These wick highs here is what we got to break for a breakout. Okay, this 0.0529 area. That's right. On the daily, all right. On the 4 hour, we're looking. Well, we need to break back above this, like kind of where we're at, basically the 0.0159 area, and we got to break above these wick highs, or this 0.053. Yeah, basically right around that. Well played, Joe. Well played, man. Yeah, ETH's in a falling wedge breakout, okay? Also, just resting around the 382 fib extension right now, just like Bitcoin. Just kind of chilling here, right? We're using this, probably going to use this area as a support. We could rally back up to this area here, the 16.25 area, and maybe come back down to back test the 1450 area. Well, we may not even go that low. We might even just use this area as a support, right? So, or we could just rest where we are and get one more really big rally up, right? Vidouche, I'm not really too worried about the DXY right now, and I'll tell you why. Because the 10-year treasuries are going to negate the the DXY. Forget what the freaking ticker is, right? Is it USDT? Oh my God, brother! Is that another tip, man? Holy shit! Thank you so much, man. My man. Thank you so much, Joe. Appreciate those tips, brother. What the deal, man? We're talking about a falling wedge breakout here is what we're talking about. And we're in the midst of. We're in the midst of it. It hasn't happened yet. We're waiting patiently. Thank you so much, Isaiah. I appreciate that comment. Guys, we're looking good right now. We need to put a higher high in, okay? We got to make sure we do that on this candle. Justin, I think we just saw the shakeout for the last 2 weeks, right? Yeah, so Bitcoin probably going to see the continuation, was just resting. As I said before, was just resting at that 3-2 fib extension. Yeah, it's not really breaking out just yet. It's just kind of meandering over here right now. Just kind of chilling. I think Dogecoin is going to do it here very shortly if it doesn't do it in the next hour or two. Nice work, Joe. Just trade carefully, Joe. That's all I have to say, man, is, you know, try to, you know, be very use risk management is all I'm trying to say, okay? No, thank you, man. Thank you so much for finding me on YouTube. Thank you so much for investing in yourself and in interpreting what I'm telling you guys here on live stream tonight. So you have yourself to thank, man. You push the buttons. All right. I'm just here to guide you guys, here to help you guys along the way. All right. Joe, make sure you join the Discord, man. You message me on Mr. Note It All. All right. You definitely are going to get a free session on me for the group technical analysis sessions that I do run weekly. All right. Sounds like a good plan, Joe. Looks like we broke the neckline. We're back testing it right now. See how we do here, guys. If this area is regarded as a support. Well, looks like we didn't break it, so that's promising. Promising. Discord link expired. Really? I don't think this link expires. You check the okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't think this link expires. Let me test it. Yeah, I don't think it expires. Try that out. I just put it in the chat for you. Come on, 5.3 cents. Let's go. DRSP. Definitely getting close to a reversal area here for sure. 50% retrace from your previous swing low here in September. This is definitely potentially a value area for this asset. Okay. End of 21, man. Doge, I don't know. I don't know any. I can't give a target on Doge, man. You know, maybe 50 cents or something, 10x from here. ADA, I have a target of like maybe $4 to $10 in that range. A swing low just means this swing, like this consolidation before it went on an uptrend, right? So this is the very bottom before it went onto this uptrend, right? So this would be the swing low to the swing high, okay? And so for this asset, you know, we're looking at this downsloping channel, right? And you can see that the daily is oversold as well. So this is obviously an area where you're going to see buying come in, right? At least to the top of the channel, right? If we don't get a reversal. So here's the 4 hour. The 4 hour actually looks pretty good. We got this bounce, right? At this support area here. Okay. So yeah, downsloping channel. You could almost maybe call this a wedge. Yeah, you could call it a wedge as well. It's getting pretty tight on the range there, right? Right, so yeah, falling wedge structure. Following channel structure, however you want to look at it, it looks pretty good for a move back to the upside. Yeah, like a 46% measured move on this. Falling wedges usually target back to the all-time highs. You know, total move, but initially probably get back up to this 157 area if you find a reversal, which is what I think you will get, especially with the daily oversold like that, Nick. And yeah, definitely still in a bull trend. Yes. What I see a lot. I didn't really do the whole chart. Yeah, I mean, this stock is just the monthly just start. I mean, like, yeah, I see this doji right here on the monthly. That can be bad. Yes. Yeah, the monthly doesn't look too good, right? But if you're looking for a daily bounce play, I think we're looking at it. We're looking at it. It's going to reverse here. It's at least going to go to 140, maybe even break out, get to 156, right? Monthly just opened, so we could obviously reverse that. Now that I've just got sidetracked here, the Dogecoin decided to break down on me a little bit here. I got to stop on the trade, guys, so no worries if we don't break out here tonight. That's okay. We're still in a nice profit. We're still going to secure a profit if we do stop out, and that's perfectly okay. We did have a chance to take a $50 profit up here, and that's okay. I wasn't really paying attention. I was charting CRSP, and that's okay. We could regard this area as backtest here as well. Although this was obviously a lower high, and so we did kind of stall out here on the 15-minute time scale. We could see that. But again, I think we end up coming back down to this low here and end up making a higher low. Okay, we're gonna see how this ends up playing out. I'm fine. I'm not even worried if we end up getting stopped out too. It doesn't matter to me right now. All right. Well, looks like we've respected this this major trend line. This is the major trend line, guys, that we are looking at here on the 4-hour, right? That we actually got a brief breakout of. Let's see if we can pivot again right here. This is where we're at. Averaging down for sure is definitely the right play. Perfect regard for the supply line, guys. Now acting as support. Yeah, actually, I have them somewhere, those glasses. I just don't use them. BTC just sitting, boys. Why did you use the wicks at resistance but not support? I did use the wicks as support, right? This is the support. This is the demand line that we're respecting right now. Yes. See. Dude, Doge looking great, man. Look at the 15-minute just making these higher lows up here, respecting the supply line that is now acting as support, as you guys see that, right? Perfectly back tested it. We're now trying to rally through it again here on the 5-minute time scale. We're in the STP DMI squeeze, guys. This right here is some information that you guys would need to pay attention to if you guys are trading like right now with me. All right, with me live here on YouTube. See if we can sustain the prices up here. That is the key. 15-minute candles are still blue, so we're still showing continuation on our STP buy sell zone indicator. By the way, if you guys are interested in testing this out, trying this out, you can get a 7-day free trial. Just join the Discord, message myself, Mr. Know-It-All, or any of the STP mods or team members, okay? I don't think it's too late to buy Doge, man. This thing hasn't even broken out yet, really. But we basically just broke out, back tested, and now we're trying to rally out of here, okay? I think it's going to go very, 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 very high up soon. And you're going to see Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin again. I promise that's what's going to happen. Okay. You guys see something similar that happened here, right? This down sloping consolidation, resting right along the green band area, right? And now we're getting that move to the upside. Let's see if we can get this breakout here. What's my target? Well, the target usually of falling wedges is back up to the top of the wedge. Ultimately 8 cents, 8.4 cents. Byron, we ride it till whatever we can ride it to. What we do is we set our stop. We keep moving our stops higher, right? We just move our stops higher. And if we get stopped out, guess what we can do? We can wait for it to base out again and find a re-entry, right? There's no need to rush right back into the trade. There's no rush to really just rush. You know, literally, guys, trading is 90% waiting. It's a waiting game, guys. It's a waiting game. You notice I haven't added to my position or done anything. I entered. I set my stop a little bit above my entry. I'm just sitting here, man. Let's watch. Let's get the popcorn. Get the popcorn, guys. Get the popcorn. We're just waiting. Just waiting. All right. Joe, thank you so much again for the $215 that you've given me tonight, man. I really do appreciate that. I have no idea. Ben McConnell, man, that's a funny question. I post an option trade pretty much daily, unless I really don't see a trade. Okay. BTC dump. What are you talking about, man? It's just sitting. Literally just sitting. Hasn't moved. Actually, it's making higher lows, man. Looks good. You guys also see this? This is a massive inverse head and shoulders, right? And this is at a critical area, right? So if we break this, this is that neckline to break, right? It's a horizontal resistance. It's also a down sloping resistance, okay? Joe, yeah, that seems accurate actually. Okay. Guys, does this not look like a back test to you? We have it. We did break out on the hourly, all right? We broke out. We're back testing right now. If you're looking for a long entry, this is probably not a bad area to do it, okay? Especially if you're trading the hourly time frame. You can see how the volume is receded, right? So there isn't really much selling going on here. It's just kind of resting. Guys, as long as we don't engulf this candle and break below 0.0513 area, like as long as we don't do this and come all the way down, and then back test this as a resistance and come further down, then this is still looking pretty bullish, okay? Well, we got stopped out of the trade. No worries, guys. We're going to see if we can find another re-entry spot. Coming back down to the support again, right? This is where we broke out from before. I'm going to wait patiently to see if we actually break. If we break this demand line, guys, we could actually look for a short trade down to this support around this 0.05 area if we break the demand line, all right? And now we broke below it and we're back testing it now. Guys, I'm not looking to enter just yet. I want to make sure that we end up making a higher low. We are flashing some buys here. So far, we're still making these higher lows, right? Low, higher low. Technically a higher low. Okay, so you guys can see the selling here is kind of receding, right? So this could be a local bottom here on the 1 minute. We could be forming it here. This would still be a higher low and within the boundaries of the demand line, okay? Right. All right, so we're dojing here. We could look to re-enter this trade. At least maybe take a small position. Well, I didn't do it just yet. I'm just gonna actually wait to see what happens at this demand line. Maybe I can catch a wick lower, or maybe through it. GGT, man, you can go to another channel, brother, if you don't want to respect what I'm doing here, man. Don't have a problem with that. Go somewhere else, brother. Plenty of other channels to go talk smack about somebody's work. Alright. Okay. See, we're actually respecting this right now. Alright. Nice. Going to enter a little bit here, okay, just to test the waters. Perfect entry, guys. All right, so we have about the same risk on here. Our entry, you know, 1,620, that's okay. We got a nice bounce here off the demand line. See if this demand line holds, though. Like, we still haven't confirmed that. Yeah, we got a nice spring there. Thanks so much, man. Appreciate that, Tago. See if we can turn green here on this candle, guys. This would be good. On the 2 minute, I know this is a small time scale, but obviously the smaller the time scale the changes happen on, the larger time scale reflects those changes, okay? And as you guys know, we're still at this demand line right here. We're still making higher lows. We're gonna see if we can get back above this this supply line. Okay, this is the supply line that we need to get back above right now, that we're trying to do right now. And here we go, guys. Come on, Doge, you can do it. Byron Green, absolutely. Technicals always line up with fundamentals. Yeah, and the fundamental here is Elon tweeting about Doge, okay? Because fundamentally, he knows that he can do that and get away with it. Okay, so far this is rejecting this right now. This is that supply line that we need to break back out of, guys. Closing green is okay. It's still good. I mean, yeah, that's the rejection, but we didn't break the lows. See if we can push out on this candle. Okay, well, the 15-minute doesn't look too good. We're showing a yellow sell candle, so might actually exit this trade. We'll see. This isn't confirmed. I mean, I'm trading the smaller time scale, so I might as well continue doing that. But see if we can break back above. The 15-minute was telling us that we might see some further downside based on the buy-sell zone indicator. But see if we can break back above here tonight. If not, we can catch this tomorrow maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out of this, guys, for now. Didn't like what I was seeing there on the 15-minute. Okay. It's a really close spot. Like, if we break this, then we're gonna get a major breakdown. It's close. Close spot. Of course, I'm sure it'll break out as soon as I get out of it, right? Whatever, guys. We took a 70-cent loss on it. I want to be... Yeah, man, we just hammered again. I mean... it's just consolidating here. I don't know. Tricky spot. Tricky spot. I mean, it's tough to really sit here and call 1-minute candles, to be honest, but... I still think that this is going to happen, man. I really do. I think maybe we'll close this 15-minute. Frank, dude, I got stopped out, and then I re-entered, and I exited because I'm not too sure about this scenario right here on the 15-minute. Okay. Yeah, this depends how this closes, man. It really does depend on how that closes. See what the scanner is coming up with right now. Anything good popping up? AKRO. Let's check that out. Oh, this looks interesting also, guys. This looks really nice. Also at a supply line. Okay. But looking bullish, man. Looking bullish. But we might need to wait here on the 15-minute. Maybe catch a pullback on this. Back to Doge here. Are we making a double bottom? Are we bottoming here? If we're bottoming here, I could look to take another entry. All right, I'm gonna lev it up a little bit. Get back in this trade for a second, guys. Looks like we're trying to round out here on the 5-minute, okay? I didn't go crazy on the entry. I'm a little torn right now, man. Like what is this thing gonna do here? It's trying to hold this support in this demand line. Yeah, it's right below the supply line right now. Consolidating right below it, okay? Guys, again, we're right at the demand line. And we haven't broke it or anything just yet. But there is some pressure here. And we are in a Bollinger Band squeeze. Hopefully we don't squeeze the downside. We get to squeeze up. Squeeze up. I think we're going to squeeze up. And the reason why I say we're going to squeeze up is look at the RSI, guys. We're showing bullish divergence here on the 1-minute time scale. This usually indicates that we will at least attempt to squeeze to the upside. And maybe we can get out of this long trade here if we get a little bit of movement up here. We're basically scratch on this trade right now. We just need some movement up. 51615 is our entry. Come on, Doge. Frankie, I have no idea in terms of long term on this. Just scalping this right now. Stream for you guys. There's no volume, guys. We need some volume. Otherwise, this could slide down. Just hanging on, man. Just hanging on here. This is one tight wedge, exactly. That's what I'm waiting for. Is it going to break down or is it going to break up? There's no signal right now. Overall signal is long, so that's good. Yeah, I'm getting a little sleepy for sure, guys. But this selling here is less, right? So you had, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, right? And then we got this bounce. And now we've had like just 3 candles. If this holds up, we got like weak selling pressure here, okay? So let's see how this holds. But that's what I'm looking at right now. All right. All right, guys, so here we're getting the breakdown right now, looks like. Starting to break down here on the 1 minute. And let's exit our trade, all right? Maybe we can look to short this now since we're breaking this support. So we're gonna flip to the short side real quick. Might as well catch the short side if we're going to break down, because we're going to break this demand line and we're going to get a nice short trade through this support here. Okay. Yep, guys. So we did enter a short based on us breaking this this support here. We haven't confirmed a short signal just yet, but it looks like we're making these lower highs right now. We could break back down to this 0.051 area. You know, maybe catch a little bit of this move down. We do get it. Obviously, there's low volume right now, so we're now back testing the demand line. We did get a clear break here. I'm actually going to add a little bit to the position. We should start flashing SAR signals here, the downside. All right, let's see if we get a... We got that rejection here on the demand line. We should get a move down, guys. Should see a profitable short trade here. You're just joining us. We are short from 15 or 515.11 on a 15x lev short. See if we can get a nice breakdown here, guys, tonight. Perfect. We got that rejection right off the demand line, guys. And on down we go on Doge. And there go the candles turning yellow, guys. This is what I'm talking about. We just got to be patient, right? So we saw that we couldn't get this move up here. So we got out of our long. We entered a short. And now we're up about $10 on this trade. That's okay. It looks like we might get even further continuation down. Let's see how big of a drop we get here, guys. Nice little move down. Nice $14 trade. Boom, nice short, guys. Nice move, right, guys? Perfect. Nice $21 for about 7% gain here on this trade. Perfect trade, guys. Perfect, right? All right, we can close it up here if we want. We hit the bottom of the green band. Perfect trade, or take our profit. Nice $30 trade, guys. Now we're gonna wait to see how we end up reacting here at these lows. Okay. But guys, it's been quite a stream for you guys. Thank you guys again so much for joining me. I hope this was a profitable trading stream for you guys. We had a nice exit here on our short. I'll catch you guys in the next stream. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Check out the Discord channel. Message me. I'm Mr. Know It All. Guys, patience is everything in this game. Just make sure you have some. We just caught this nice breakdown here after back testing the demand line and rejecting it perfectly. All right, guys. I want to thank you guys again so much. Joe, great trading tonight. Thank you so much for your live stream tips. Appreciate all you guys coming out tonight. We'll catch you guys whenever there's another trade setup, or I do typically do Sunday streams at 7 p.m. Eastern pretty consistently. You guys have a wonderful day tomorrow, wonderful week if I don't see you guys tomorrow. All right? Cheers, guys. Have a nice night.